Here's how you set up recurring deposits on Cash App. So once you have entered Cash App, you want to press on the bank icon at the bottom left corner. And then from here, under more ways to add money, you see the option recurring deposits, add from your debit card. So click on it. Then right here, auto add cash, automatically add funds to Cash App from your bank. We want to enable this option. How often would you like to add cash? We can set this up for weekly, for example. On which day would you like to add cash? We can select Friday. And then you just click on this option right here. Weekly transfer amount is the next thing that it's going to ask you for. So we're going to do $10 just so we have enough for a pizza. Schedule $10. And then right here, if you haven't set up your bank card or debit or credit card, it will ask you for information. And then right here is what you need to press, is where you need to press in order to set up this recurring deposit on Cash App. So hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.